Hey guys, what's up? Septile720 here, and today we're gonna be opening up some Duelist Pack Dimensional Guardians booster packs. Okay, let's start. Here's the first one. I'm just moving some stuff. These come with 2 packs each of 5 cards, so we have 20 cards. Oh yeah. Get those open, and when I open the other ones. Oh yeah. Okay, we got 4 packs. Let's get cracking with the first one. Ah, that new card smell. And we have, a regular rare resonator call. Hold on, wait. I don't know if it helps, but we'll see. Resonator call. A red wyvern synchro. Red guardian. Red mirror and a chain resonator. Not bad. Next pack. We're hoping for the Galaxy Eyes Sulfur Dragon. So we have a Reject Reborn. It's Cyber? Yes! Here we go. Cyber Angel Brass. And a Sinotro Selection Resonator. And for the regular bear thing, Scarlet Red Dragon Archfiend. Look at that baby. Dang. Now that's a card. Nice. Okay, we have 2 more packs left of Duelist Pack Dimensional Guardians. What are we gonna get out of this one? Holy crud! Look at that! There it is! The Galaxy Eyes Shipper Dragon! Oh my god, look at that. We got the promo. We got the guy that's on the pack. Yes! Yo, that's awesome. Mirror Resonator, Cyber Premier, and Zipper Bit, and the regular bear is a Cyber Twin Raptor. Oh my god, we got the Galaxy Eyes Cyber Dragon. That is very nice. And last pack of this Duelist Pack Dimensional Guardians. We'll go with these. Okay, we have a Cypher Wing, an Ito Cyber, and Cyber Spectrum, and the rare is a King Synchro. And for the final card, it's a red mirror, but that's okay. We got 2 really good, cool cards. We got the Scarlet Red Dragon Archfiend and the Galaxy Eyes Shepherd Dragon. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. So, oh, by the way, I was recording this on a different device, so if you ask why it looks different, then that's why. Okay, guys, so that was the 4 packs of Duelist Pack Dimensional Guardians. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, you guys have a great day, and this is Septile720 signing out. Peace as always, guys. Woo!